friends. This last song, kind of emotional. I like it a lot. This is another song we hear on everyone like all the time, well at least used to. This is originally sung by a chick and done a lot better with a violin and a piano and everything. I only have a guitar and a bass. Anyway, so this song, this is for all my friends, all my peeps, I like to call them. Easter candy peeps. Yeah, it's a funny joke. But this is for everyone who, has been through it with me. This song is about going through a lot of crap. So, we're gonna do this.
Do it, Cristian.